use HubSpot workflows to automatically generate AI personalized videos based on any action that you can track in HubSpot. So the way this works, you'll create your workflow, and then for the trigger, you'll just choose whatever you want to trigger the dynamic video to create. So in this case, I'm using a form example, but you could also have a trigger be a contact property change, a life cycle stage change, anything that you can track in HubSpot, you should be able to use as the trigger here. And then as the next step, you're going to do create dynamic video. This is part of the Sendspark HubSpot app. So you want to make sure that you have this app installed. And then like anytime you're adding something in HubSpot, you should then see, at this bottom under connected app, the ability to click on Sendspark and then select create dynamic video. And it'll ask you to fill out the fields that you want to send into Sendspark, but it's pretty intuitive of like how you'll create the dynamic video using that integration. And so we have that. So user triggers the workflow, we generate a dynamic video. The next step is going to be to send it out in email. So the way we do this, we'll wait 5 minutes just to give time for that video to process. We're going to be generating that AI personalized video saying their name. That usually takes like 1 to 2 minutes. I'd recommend leaving 5 minutes just to make sure that it's fully done. And if you want to be doubly sure that that the video will be ready before you send it off, so there's no chance you'll accidentally send a video that says, "Hi, watermelon, welcome to platform," then you can use this logic. And this is also using the Sendspark HubSpot app to just check that that video has successfully generated for the contact. And assuming it does, then you'll send out the email that has the Sendspark video snippet contained in it. You could also add a fallback situation here. So just to go through this email part of it, this is what email we're sending out here. And if we look at this, you can see that it has this placeholder for where the dynamic video is going to go. And so this is, what it looks like. And we can grab this snippet right from Sendspark. So when you create your dynamic video campaign, you'll add your video, you'll add the voice coding, you can set up the page, so what you want the viewer to see after watching the video. At the bottom where it says share campaign, then just search for HubSpot Marketing Hub, grab this snippet, and then this is what you're pasting in an HTML block in HubSpot. I can delete this. You can see it's an HTML block and then re-add it, and it's the exact same thing. But if you, again, just want to double check everything's working before turning this on, what you can do is preview this in Sendspark and then look at like who you've generated videos for and just add that information into HubSpot and preview it as that contact. So we can look at like Bethany plus test at sendspark.com. And then you should see, this email is now, "Hi, Bethany," and it shows that AI personalized video for me saying my name and recording over the Sendspark website. So from here, this is like the basic framework of how it works, but you can get really creative about what you're using to trigger and what you're sending in the email. So I would say, like, for sure, bounce modals on your website, welcome videos, activation emails guiding people through certain steps, check-ins. It's really limitless, like all the ways that you can now send out personalized videos to engage your prospects and customers. All right, happy recording.